Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling developer mode and making your headset visible to your PC. Once done, create or confirm a developer organization inside the Meta app. This unlocks sideloading. Make sure your Quest 3 is connected by USB-C and that you accept the ADB authorization prompt in the headset. You need a PC with ADB installed. If not, install platform tools. This step is essential because without developer mode and ADB authorization, you cannot transfer the APK to the headset. Next, get a clean, compatible Amaze File Manager APK and place it on your PC. You will sideload it using a db install R followed by the APK path. This replaces older installs and preserves data. Once you run the command, monitor the terminal for success messages and confirm the app appears in your library under unknown sources. If you see failure text, stop and troubleshoot drivers, USB settings, or repeat the ADB authorization step before attempting again. Finally, open your Quest 3 apps, choose unknown sources, and run Amaze File Manager. You'll be prompted to grant storage permissions. Accept them so the app can access files. Once inside, test moving a small file to confirm read/write works, and optionally set Amaze as your default file handler. If the app crashes or shows missing features, reboot the headset, rerun the ADB install command, or reinstall a fresh APK. This single troubleshooting step fixes most sideloading issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.